everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Hot Wheels Ultra Hot 80s Firebird. It's a tribute to the classic 1980 Pontiac Firebird, featuring the striking Spectraflame red paint and detailed design, which was introduced in 1983 and reimagined in the Hot Wheels lineup, with the latest release in 2024, which perfectly captures the essence of the third generation Pontiac Firebird, which was on the streets from 1982 to 1991. Here's why the Hot Bird stands out. Because of its diverse version, so whether you are drawn to the classic sleek lines or the vibrant flame tampos on the sides and hood, each version tells a unique story. The detailed tail lights, Hot Wheel logo, and the fiery bird emblem on the hood add to its quality, making it a must-have for any collector. So are you looking to snag one on this diecast? Or do you have favorite version already? As you all know, the Hot Wheels universe is vast, and each car is packed with the history and the character. While the Hot Bird may not be the most sought after model, it still holds a special place in the collection. Why? Because it's a sturdy diecast, even if it doesn't spark the same frenzy as some others, right? So let's talk about your thoughts. Which version do you love, and what stories do they hold for you? And if you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any unboxing or reviews, as it takes a lot of time to gather all this information and create these videos. So your support means a lot. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.